Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. I know it's been a while, I've been busy with work. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel and remember to ring the notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. And support the channel by smashing the like button. Without further ado, let's see what's hiding inside this package. And as always, the package is from AliExpress. Alright, you're gonna excuse my light. It's winter here, so I do need to get a real light for the videos, but I need to save up for that. Alright, so we got some gloves here, but these are not regular gloves. As you can see, these are not regular gloves. You can see we have battery sliding out from the gloves, and that's because these are heated gloves for the winter. Mind you, I live in Northern Europe, so we bike a lot here, but during winter you need some gloves, and sometimes the winter gloves we have are not good enough, because if you're biking for long distance, eventually the cold is gonna seep through your gloves and you're gonna feel it on your fingers. So I saw these gloves on AliExpress and I thought, why not? From the get-go, as always when you buy stuff from AliExpress, you don't always get a user manual, which is a shame, but you see there's a pocket here, and there is this cable, and this is one battery. Let's just open it. Let's hope there is some charge in here. The battery is straightforward. USB-C port for charging the battery, I think. I don't know what this USB-C port, this USB-A port is for. And this is where you turn the battery. So there's still some power inside the battery. There's still some juice. So it has four lights, and only 2 of them are turning on, which means we have about 50% plus minus charge left inside this battery. But I'm gonna plug it in here, and this is where you plug the battery. So you plug it in there. I saw some light somewhere. Let's try it again. I'm just gonna plug it in here. Oh, no lights. Okay. But anyway, so, and I think the battery goes in here, right? So you push it in, it's connected, then you wear the glove and you can tighten the glove right here. I think I'm the right person to test this glove because I bike a lot. I bike to work. I bike to work every day, back and forth, whether it's winter, summer, snowing, raining. I'm biking all the time. The public transport are good, but I do not like public transport, and it's a waste of money, if you ask me. Copenhagen is not that big that you cannot bike around. I mean, the car is obviously convenient, and the public transport is convenient as well. But the bike always gets you there faster and cheaper. Alright, I guess this is where you turn the thing on. Is it on? Yes, so now it's on. So you press again, you get white light, blue light, red light, blue, red. Let's leave it on blue. So I'm just gonna take the glove on, and I'm gonna take the glove off and leave it on blue lights. Let me set that on. Do leave a comment below if you want me to make a follow-up video about the performance of the gloves, how long the battery lasts, and how warm they get. I like the fact that they come with two set of batteries. How big are these batteries? The batteries are, it says the capacity is 5,000 milliamp hours. I don't know if I should believe this. $5,000 milliamp hours. Is probably correct. Probably. Let me check here. This battery claimed to be 6,000 milliamp hour battery power. This battery claims to be 6,000 milliamp hour, but it wasn't. It was more about 4,000. So I think this might be correct, that is 5,000 milliamp hour. All right, so let's turn this one on as well. Let's put it on blue. Now I need to find my phone because I need to check from the website what does the different lights means, because remember there was no user manual. So let's go on AliExpress. Let's go on my page. Alright, and I can reveal how much I give for the gloves as well. So I gave $56.24, and that's including shipping to Denmark. So it might be a little bit more to ship to your region, your region. I don't know. Okay, so what does it say here? So red 45 degree, blue 40. Okay, so red is 45. That's where the gloves gets very hot, and blue is 40, and green is low, 45 degrees Celsius, and it's Celsius. So if you don't use Celsius, then you have to convert. If you use Kelvin, then you have to multiply. So 25, 35, 45. 45 is the highest. Okay, so blue is medium heat. Oh yeah, I can feel the glove is warm, this one. So we're gonna put it on red. Red is the highest, so red is supposed to be 45, and you can feel the heat around here, right here on the fingers tip, and a little bit here too. I don't feel any heat from the thumb, so I don't think there's any coil going to the thumb. Yes, and let's try this one. Yes, and I do feel the heat right here, right here, right here, right here, and there's no heat on the thumb, but the four fingers there's heat, and right here on the palm there's heat as well. Let's put this on red. Red is the hottest you can get the gloves. So let's try this one again. Oh yeah, it gets warmer. It's supposed to be 45 degrees warm, but obviously right now I'm inside, and the temperature inside is about 25-ish degrees Celsius. So I will wear them. I'm working tomorrow, so I will wear them for a couple of weeks. It's winter anyway, and then I'll probably do a follow-up video about the performance. But for now, I can say that the gloves are heated. So now the question is, how well do they perform actually outside in the cold? Yes, all this part is warm. The palm is not warm. It's, you know, in here it's not warm here, but it's warm here, and the thumbs are not warm either. All right, so let's just turn them off. Once you turn them off, you just press the button and hold, and I mean, it's you know, the inside feels like a duvet. If you leave somewhere cold, you know what a duvet is. So it's has a lovely feeling on the skin. Let's just say the inside of the glove, and the fit and finish looks good. Fit and finish looks really good. Yeah, you have something like this just to cut it off, but other than that, I mean, first impression from the get-go, looks like a good buy. I'm gonna charge the battery fully charge the battery, both of them. Then I'm gonna use the gloves. And leave a comment below if you want to hear if you have any questions or anything. Leave a comment below. Or if you want to if you want me to talk about something specific about the gloves, or anything specific you want to know about the glove, leave the comment below and I will do my best to answer them. Yeah. Let's so that's everything for this short video. And of course I didn't show these, but these are the USB-A, USB-C cable to charging the gloves. Alright guys, so that's everything I had for this video. If you do have any questions, leave them below. Support the channel by smashing the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel, and remember to ring the bell to be notified every time I do post a new video. I haven't been posting regularly this past month. I've been busy with work, but yeah, other than that, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.